Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. Today I have a very special unboxing, but before I do that, let me give you a little background on myself. I love leopard print. I love leopard print. I always have, always will. To me, it's a neutral. If you look at DomesticatedMe.com, you will see that I recently bought these amazing leopard print pants from H&M, which were just, I think, $18, and I've worn them so much already this summer. And yeah, it's one of my, if not my favorite print. That and polka dots, my favorites. So when I saw that Louis Vuitton launched the Giant Jungle collection, which features a lot of leopard print, I fell in love. Now the problem was, I'm on a ban. We just got back from Disney World. It's a big expense. I told myself I wasn't gonna buy anything else for a long time. I don't need anything. I am in that happy accessories purse area where I don't need anything right now. So when that collection came out, it was a problem. It was a problem. But I held back for as long as I could. And then I was like, well, let me just get one little thing because I will regret it. I know I'll regret it. I have been in the position where a collection has launched. I like it. I know that I like it, but I stop myself from buying it, and then I wind up buying it a year or two later and having to pay more because it was a limited edition collection. They are rare, and that's just how the market works. So I don't want to be in that boat. I wanted just a little something from that collection. So today's unboxing is that little something. So this arrived yesterday, my wonderful SA from the Soho boutique here in New York City. Packaged this up. It was the very last one. I texted her when I was just like, I just need something. And she was like, I have one. Do you want it? I can send it over. So here it is. I've not opened this, so this is a true unboxing. So here we go. So here's the box as it came. Here is the card where the receipt comes in. So this piece retailed for $190 with New York taxes. The total came up to $206.86. It's so beautiful. So this is the Louis Vuitton Giant Jungle Bandeau in black. So there are two versions of this bandeau right now. There is the black and the beige. I picked up the black, which is absolutely beautiful. And one of the reasons why I just had to have it is because it's double-sided. So this is one side where it's black and it features the LV and the fleur-de-lis in the leopard print, and then the other side looks like that. And so it's all print, and then the LVs and the fleur-de-lis and the little flowers are white. So there are two things that I really love about Louis Vuitton's bandeaus. And number one is that they are one of the most accessible pieces that the brand sells. They are just under $200, so this is just a little more accessible to more people. The other thing that I love about bandeaus is that there are so many ways that you can wear them and use them. So it's like a kind of a long, thin scarf, so you can tie it around your neck in many different ways. You can wear it in your hair many different ways. You can use it like a little band like this. You can tie it around a ponytail. You can also use it to accessorize your handbags, which is really cute. If you wrap it around the handle of your purses or you create a bow. Again, there's just so many ways that you can use a bandeau. If you would like me to create a video showing you the many ways that I use a bandeau, please let me know in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up so that I see that you want that, and I will work on it for a future video. So there you go. This was a very small but very special unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it. And if you have any friends or family members who are interested in this collection, please share it with them as well. And as always, use that comment section below to write any questions, make any requests, or just say hi. You guys know that I love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.